Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today I am going to give you the dictation of a newspaper passage. It will be the exercise number 8. First of all, I will dictate you some difficult words and phraseography from this exercise. So be ready for the dictation of the difficult words. Election Commission, Chairman, Public, Parliament, Pledge, handed over, Senate Secretary, for a period of, announced, lawmakers, parliamentary rules, warned, negligence on the part of bureaucracy, undermine, dignity, tolerated, government officers, joint secretary level. It is not yet official website. I will be retiring after completing tenure, assurance, remarks, priority at the end of the personally check and balance standing committees, senators, controversial ordinance, formation, preferences, FATA, supremacy, pattern, political parties, unaddressed, divergent, during the first. Gentlemen, now get ready for the dictation of the main exercise. In a rare move, newly elected Senate chairman made public his assets details as he chaired the first session of the upper house of the parliament after being elected as chairman on March 12 with the pledge that these assets would not increase during his stay in the office. Full stop. As the upper house started its proceedings, he handed over his assets details to Senate Secretary with a pledge that his wealth will not increase even by a single penny till he would remain as the chairman Senate for a period of 3 years. Full stop. He announced that lawmakers could go through the details of his assets. Full stop. It is not yet clear whether the Senate Secretariat will publish the details of his assets on official website of Senate. Full stop. Within inverted commas, my wealth will not increase and it will remain the same as it is today when I will be retiring after completing my 3 years tenure within bracket close. He gave assurance to the House. Full stop. In his remarks, the chairman Senate vowed that his priority would be to uphold the supremacy of Parliament. Full stop. He requested the lawmakers hailing from different political parties and having divergent views must cooperate with him in maintaining the parliamentary rules. Full stop. Showing his resolve that he would guard and uphold the dignity of Parliament, he warned that any negligence on the part of the bureaucracy to undermine the upper house of Parliament would not be tolerated. Full stop. We will place a roll of attendance for the government officers of joint secretary level who within bracket from different ministries bracket close come to the house for taking notes. First off, this must be clear that all the officers will mark their attendance in this register and at the end of the session I will personally check their attendance, he added. Full stop. He directed all the members to submit their preferences with Senate Secretariat by April 8 in connection to the formation of Senate Standing Committees. Full stop. Earlier, the 4 newly elected senators took oath, full stop. The election commission had delayed the election of Senate on 4 FATA seats after the government issued a controversial ordinance changing voting pattern of these seats, full stop. However, the upper house, marked by low attendance of lawmakers on private members' day, left the entire agenda listed on the orders of the day unaddressed during the first sitting of its 114th session, full stop.